Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I am your science teacher for class 7. This is lecture number 2. Now open your book. Open page number 8. Digestive system. What is digestive system? Digestive system is that system in which food is digested and absorbed by different organs such as alimentary canal, digestive glands. Alimentary canal consists of following organ: mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine. Mouth or buccal cavity. What is mouth or buccal cavity? Food enter the mouth through buccal cavity. Mouth contains tongue, teeth and salivary glands. Human tongue have different glands which is called salivary glands. Food is taken in the mouth, jaws and teeth work together in grinding the food. Saliva helps in digestion of food. It also lubricates the food and make it easier to swallow. Teeth. We all have two sets of teeth. Humans have two sets of teeth, which is including temporary teeth, permanent teeth. Temporary teeth or milky teeth. Temporary teeth are those teeth when we are babies until we reach 6 years. Permanent teeth. When milk teeth fall out the teeth that take place are called permanent teeth. Tongue. Tongue is the organ of taste. Tongue rolls the food into the mouth and pushing the food into the pharynx, and it also helps us to speak. Permanent teeth. Molar, premolar, canine, incisor. Crust, root, canine, premolar, molar. Pharynx. Pharynx is a short, wide and muscular chamber in which the mouth or buccal cavity opens. Esophagus. Esophagus is connecting tube between the stomach and mouth. It helps convert the food from the mouth into the stomach. Stomach. Stomach is a thick, walled, muscular and glandular sac. Food in stomach changes into a paste-like substance called chyme. Small intestine. The intestine is a long, narrow coiled tube. It is divisible small and a large intestine. The partially digested food from the stomach enter the small intestine through pyloric, and where its digestion is completed, the food is absorbed into the blood. Large intestine. In digestive system, large intestine is the last organ. It helps removing undigested solids, wastes and absorbing water from the body. Digestive glands. Liver and pancreas are digestive glands. Gallbladder store bile, which is secretion of liver. Now I am giving your homework. Open page number 20. Question number 3. Name two important digestive glands associated with the digestive system. How do they help in digestion? The answer in page number 10. Line number 1. Liver, gallbladder and pancreas are also associated with the digestive system. Names liver and pancreas. Then, which functions? Some secretion into the alimentary canal for digestion of food. Open your journals. Mention date, unit number. Write a question. Name two important digestive glands associated with the digestive system. How do they help in digestion? Then answer. So dear student, this is the end of today's lecture. Please complete your homework before next lecture.